In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneDrive without losing data. If you want to remove OneDrive from your computer, the most important thing is making sure your files stay safe first. Deleting or uninstalling OneDrive without checking where your files are stored can lead to confusion, especially if some of your folders are still syncing through OneDrive. So before you remove anything, take a moment to confirm that the files you want to keep are stored somewhere outside the OneDrive folder. Start by opening File Explorer and locating your OneDrive folder. Browse through it carefully and look for any documents, photos, or other files you still need. If you find anything important, copy or move those files to a folder that is not inside OneDrive. Good options include your Documents folder, your Pictures folder, or another local drive on your computer. The key is that the destination should be completely outside the OneDrive directory. Once you've moved or copied the files, open a few of them to verify they work properly. This quick check helps ensure you really do have access to your data before moving forward. Once your files are safely stored elsewhere, the next step is to unlink your PC. This is an important part of the process because it stops OneDrive from syncing on this device without deleting your files from the cloud. To do that, click the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. Then click the gear icon and choose Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Account section. From there, click Unlink Account and confirm the action when prompted. After this step, your computer will no longer be connected to OneDrive syncing. Now that the PC is unlinked, you can uninstall OneDrive. Open Settings from the Start menu or use the Windows shortcut by pressing Windows key +I. In Settings, select Apps from the left side, then click Installed Apps. Find Microsoft OneDrive in the list, click it, and choose Uninstall. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the removal. And that's it. By first checking your OneDrive folder, moving important files outside of it, confirming they open correctly, unlinking your PC, and only then uninstalling the app, you can remove OneDrive without losing your data. If you're following along, take your time with the file check, because that's the step that matters most.